It's Friday, February 14th. I'm buying some Costco here at 1071.58. This is here on the red to green move to start the session. So we have the big red bar, kind of a little bit of a green bar, and then we're breaking up above that bar on bar number 3. So I bought it here at the blue line, kind of expecting it to, come up and test the highs of the day. We have a green day from yesterday. So I kind of like, when I see that, I kind of look for those red to green moves. You know, if they're going to generally hold the midpoint of the prior day and start up to test that high. Sometimes you get momentum out of the gates, but in this case we move down a little bit to start. Red to green buying here at the blue line, expecting that high of the day to be taken out and the highs of yesterday to be reached. We'll see if that unfolds, but if we can get a little push up here, I can scale out, set up a no risk trade, and see if this becomes the low of the day. If not, if we come down and take out this but kind of consolidate in here, then we can get a secondary move higher later in the day. But for now, most of the time I'm looking for that initial red to green move out of the gates, and this one seems to be following through nicely here towards the highs of the day as our first target, and the highs of yesterday as our second target. And on the weekly chart, very strong continuity to the upside. Looks like it wants to close green by the end of the week, so at some form it should follow, even though there's a little exhaustion risk here in the weekly chart. If we close a green bar, it should kind of test a little higher into next week, even if it wants to, consolidate or pause a little bit. So hopefully today we just get a little bit of follow through to some of these shorter term targets. That's all I'm looking for, with good continuity to the upside on this stock.